Welcome to this tutorial on how to grade with Eval in CougarVIEW. Today we will identify how to use Eval to grade. You can access Eval from the Course Home toolbar at the top. First, we will look at Submissions by clicking the Submissions button. Submissions provides a list of all learner submissions that need to be evaluated in the course. The activities remain visible until the instructor publishes a grade and/or gives feedback. To filter the submissions view, click to expand the Filters drop-down arrow menu. Select from Activity Name or Date. Course is another option, but this is only available if you access Eval from the My Home page. So if I go back to the My Home page by clicking the My Home icon, you can see Eval at the top. I'm going to click on Eval and go to the Filter menu drop-down arrow, and you can see that now I can filter by course. You can also use the search bar if you're looking for a specific submission. Browse to the learner you want to evaluate and click the learner's name to open their submission, and then you would grade and publish. Activities is accessed by clicking the Activities button. This provides a pre-sorted list of all assignments, discussions, or quizzes. You can filter the Activities view by expanding the Filters drop-down menu. You can either filter by activity name or course. You can begin evaluating by clicking the activity and the number indicating the new discussion topic, submission, or quiz attempt. Activities show learner progress on submissions, instructor progress on evaluations, and instructor progress on publishing feedback to learners. It also links the evaluations page, submissions page, and provides a publish all action that allows you to release evaluations at the same time. So if you click on the ellipses, you can see the publish all option. This concludes the tutorial on how to use Eval. If you have any questions about how to use this, please reach out to the Center of Online Learning.